Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to turn off the charging sounds on this device. So firstly, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on sounds and vibration. Here we have to scroll down and tap on system sound and vibration control, and as you can see here we've got two different sections connected to sound, and this is the very first one, and here for vibrations. So on the third position and on the fourth position we've got actually charging, so and those options are right now activated, so it means that after plugging in the cable you will hear the sound and vibration feedback. Of course, in order to turn it off, just tap on this switcher. If you'd like to turn off the vibration, do the same thing. So since this switcher looks like it, then it means that the charging sounds and vibrations are turned off and you won't hear any sound feedback. Of course, you can turn them on the same way just by tapping on those switchers. So actually that's all. This is how to manage charging sounds in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.